Today I'm gonna be first. Wow, these are Korean noodles. I love them. Me too, my favorite. Yeah, but how am I supposed to eat these? With my hands? Here, take these chopsticks. I had them lying around.
Okay.
Dang.
What?
This turned out to be harder than I thought. But I won't give up. Yeah, all the noodles are on the table. If I can't eat them like that, then I'll wrap them around my fingers. That'll be way easier. What are you doing? The noodles are flying everywhere except your mouth.
Ew.
Maybe you want some. No thanks, I'm good.
Okay.
Then open yours fast. Whoa, now this is delicious. Just look at this huge cake. This is bigger than I thought. And it's probably delicious. Since it's so big, maybe you can share with me? I wouldn't mind. No, I'll eat it myself. Really? Then I'll take it myself. Where? This is my cake. It was yours, now it's mine. I want to eat this fast. Even with my hands. It's so tasty. No way.
What?
I won't let you eat the treats. Give it here. No way. I'm already eating it. Give it to me. It's mine. I'm not giving you anything. Here, take some cake to the face. Really? You take some cake to the face. Now this is war. Take that. And that. And that. This cake is mine. Here. And here. I should have just eaten it. It's not too late.
Okay.
Eat it fast. It's not bad. You don't have to tell me.
Okay.
It's really delicious. Can I be first? I wonder what will happen.
Okay.
What? Why do I have a cactus? It's so prickly and not tasty at all. Hey! How am I supposed to eat this? My fingers get all pricked and swollen. Ouch! Yeah, I don't know how you're gonna eat this. But you'll have to. And what do I have? Not bad. Look at this huge Snickers. This is probably really tasty. Hey, don't throw wrappers around. Sorry. How should I eat this? I've come up with something special. A saw. Take that, Snickers. Now I'll eat you. Look at the gooey center. Wow. This Snickers is so tasty. I don't care.
Okay.
Well, whatever. You're so boring. It's all because you don't have any chocolate. Like my big one. You're just jealous. Yeah, you eat like an animal. You could use a fork. Listen, since it's so tasty, I have an idea. How do you like the needles from my cactus? Yeah, the scissors got broken, but whatever. I still got rid of the needles. Now I'll just put them in the chocolate. I'm sure it'll be tasty.
What?
How delicious.
Ow.
Ah, that hurts! Where did these needles come from? They're all over my tongue. Oh, I think my prank got a little out of control. No big deal. Dr. Mary can help.
No.
I just need to find the right tool. Maybe this? No way! Maybe something stronger. Come on, I was joking. I just need regular tweezers. They're medical grade. Be patient. Just a few more. Okay, there, good as new. And your tongue doesn't hurt either. Thank you so much. But it's still all your fault in the first place. Now eat your cactus. Me? Thanks, but I don't want to. It's not tasty. Doesn't matter, you need to.
Okay.
Fine, I'll try.
Hey.
Oh no! Eating this trash is impossible. This is terrible.
Hey!
But I know what to do with this. Since I can't eat this, I'll turn it into something more tasty. I think a cocktail from a pink cactus isn't a bad idea either.
What?
All right, let's try it.
Wow. Hey!
Oh no! This is terrible. I can't even drink it.
Hooray!
Don't touch the lid.
Excuse me? Okay.
This time, I'm gonna go first. Not bad! What an appetizing burger! I could eat the whole thing.
What?
Okay, Mary, now you open yours.
Oh no!
Oh no! These are worms! They're so gross! How can I eat these? I don't know how you eat worms, but I know how I'm gonna eat this burger. It's so juicy. Mary, do you want some? Yeah, of course I do.
Please.
Thank you! Everyone wants some, but it's mine. I can do this without you. I was right. This burger is just delicious. How are the worms? Tasty?
Please.
I still haven't tried.
Come on!
Maybe I don't need to eat them. Oh, I can't even hold them in my hands. Calm down. I know what you need. Chopsticks. Yeah, thanks. The worms are not going to taste any better.
Gross!
Of course not. That's not the point. Less talking, more eating.
Come on!
Hope I don't get sick.
Okay.
Ew, that looks terrible. Of course. I'm eating worms. I think it was trying to run away.
Hey, you! What?
Oh, I can't stop myself.
Hey, you!
How gross, it's in my hair.
Oh no!
Oh, burger. You didn't share with me. But I have no problem sharing my worms with you. I think you're gonna like them. You're so mean, you ruined my hair. But I still have a whole burger. Enjoy your meal.
Okay.
How weird. What is that? What's crawling? What is that? How gross! It's your old friend the worm. Tasty.
Oh no!
Is my whole burger covered in this trash? What? No! Anything but that! I'm gonna throw up. I'm sick. What do I have? Oh, pink Nutella. Cool. This is lucky.
Wow.
I think I also have something tasty waiting. Weird. What is that sound coming from?
Okay.
Ah! It's a fly or a bee or just a bug. I won't eat this. Get that away from me. You will eat it. You need to. Come on, you first. Me? But why? I don't want to. I hope this doesn't bite me. Ah! It bit me! That hurts! Terrible! Look what you've done! Now it's on my Nutella! Take it away! Come here. Maybe I can still try it. But I doubt it.
Hey,
You? No, I won't.
Oh!
You only made it worse for me. Now it's on my head. Don't worry. I'll fix this in a second. I'll hit the fly with the fly swatter. What? No! Don't! Oops. I think I tried too hard. Mary, are you alive? How are you? Thanks for not killing me. You're so mean. It was an accident. Sorry. At least there's no flies. Now I can finally eat my Nutella. Cool. This Nutella isn't bad at all. I've never tried the pink kind. And it turns out it's the most delicious. Now I'll only eat this kind. There's still a drop left. I can even lick the jar. Have you seen your face? It's covered in the paste.
What?
Oh?
What?
Have you seen what's there? What's on your head? No? What's there? Again, that fly! I thought I killed it! Turns out no. Don't worry. I'll take care of that fast.
Oh no!
One hit of the fly swatter, and it'll be done. Take that!
Oh!
Do you know how much that hurts? Why, you? How could you? Yeah, that really hurts. Hooray, I won, so I'll open first. Not bad. It's a lollipop. How cool. Do you like it, Diana?
Come on!
Okay.
What did you get, Diana? Let's find out. Oh, mussels. I hate them.
Come on!
Come on, Mary. If you're so lucky, you should get to eating your lollipop first. Oh, I didn't notice that the wrapper was flying right at you. Come on, don't be mad. It was just an accident. Look at this lollipop I have. Not bad, and she's bragging. I'll ruin the taste for you fast. How do you like sour Chupa Chups? How tasty. Oh, why so sour? Ew.
Hey!
You should brag less. So you ruined my lollipop. Take that. Ew. Now I'm covered in your drool. Gross. Come on, get over it.
Ouch.
I don't have enough strength. I need help. I think a drill will help me.
Wow.
This is way more tasty and faster. Not bad. Cool plan. I know. But now my tongue is on fire. Help. Fast. Yeah. I know I'll help. Here. Thanks so much. I couldn't have done it without you. Now you eat your mussels. Enjoy your meal. Already? They're so gross. They just sit in dirty water and smell bad. Oh, I hope it's not too nasty.
Ew, gross!
Oh, I'm gonna vomit. Ew. Get that away from me. Oh, flew away.
Oh!
Take your trash and eat it yourself.
Ew, gross!
That's impossible. This is a nightmare. I understand, but you still have a whole plate. According to the rules, you have to eat it. I'll support you. You're so mean. Fine. I'll try. Oh, it won't open. Not meant to be. Don't worry. I have something that can help you. Yeah? I'll hit you with the hammer. Oh, come on. I was joking. Here, I opened the mussel. Yeah! Look, it's a real pearl. I'm rich. What? A pearl? Give it to me. I want that. It's mine. Don't touch. Oh, I think I lost it. Now it's mine.
Oh!
Well, whatever. Hello, everyone. Not bad. Now that is ice cream. I want some too. Who's there? Oh, hello, pretty. How are you? So handsome. Why did you freeze? Cool. This is a good chance for me to eat some ice cream.
What?
You should be embarrassed. It's mine.
You think you can just let me come into your life and then just dispose of me like...
Not bad. All this ice cream is mine. Cool. It's bad to steal from others. Too bad it's really tasty. Who did this? Why are you guys stealing? Whatever, I'll get you back. Just try to steal something from me again. I guess we should find out what's inside. I totally agree. Is that all? Just one cookie for all three of us? Yeah, it's too small, but what should we do?
Okay.
Oh, I think I know. Time to pick cards. I don't even get to try the cookie. So unlucky. If I don't act fast. No. Don't touch our cookie. No, I'll pick a card. Hooray! I can take a bite. Well, that means I have lick. And I wanted to eat it. Haha, I got lucky. But I have an idea. Samantha, can I be first? Go ahead. You still can't eat it. Maybe I can't eat it, but I'm gonna lick the tastiest part, the white cream. What?
Hey!
You didn't even leave any for me. Don't worry. I left a little drool just for you. Here, take it. Enjoy your meal. So gross. This is disgusting. Ew, ew. It looks like a dog licked it. Hey, what did I do? So disgusting. Time to open. Maybe I'll do it this time.
Okay.
Let's see what's there. Oh, I think it's a cactus. Maybe it's made of chocolate. Need to check. No, it hurts. It's real. Hey. How terrible. They're needles. I know how I can help. I have a few Band-Aids.
Ouch.
There, this is just what you need right now. Thank you, Jack. You're a real gentleman. I think it's time to pick cards.
Okay.
Anything but this.
What?
Hooray! I won! I don't have to touch it. Oh, I have to lick it.
Oh, no.
I have bite. Terrible. Yeah, you're unlucky. Especially to go first. Me? Why me? You're first. No, you. Like kids fighting. It's yours. No, yours. Enough already. You're done. We can decide this fairly. Rock, paper, scissors.
Come on!
Good idea.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ha! I think I won. So, Jack, you're gonna lick first. This is at least fair.
Ouch!
Oh, it hurts so much. Ow, ow! Poor Jack. Whatever. It's a joke. This isn't a real tongue. Stupid joke. Now you really need to lick the cactus. Exactly. Fine. I'll try it. Why risk it? I have an idea how to make this cactus more safe. Now it won't be prickly. Hey, more careful. It's flying at me. I'm covered in needles. Don't complain. Now I can easily lick this cactus. Amber, you can bite it. Give it here. I didn't do anything, but I'm still covered in needles. Ew. Even a shaved cactus is disgusting. Ew, it's so gross. Why me again? What have I done? It was all Amber.
What's the
What's that smell? I
Hey!
think I smell something coming from the lids.
Okay.
Ew, that's what I was afraid of. It's fish. Ew, gross. Disgusting fish.
Come on!
But we still have the cards.
Oh, no.
Dang, I need to lick it. Hooray! I won't do anything. I got lucky. What was that? Not important.
Okay.
Looks like I need to bite it. No, I don't want to. Yeah, you need to. Well, I'll go first. This is
What?
harder than I thought. I'm a little scared. But I need to do it. 1 minute. We won't be waiting. Here, I'll help you. Yeah, that's really fast. Ew, gross.
Gross!
How could you do that? I'll get you. Here, eat your fish. Bite it. What have you done? I wasn't ready. I'm gonna be sick. Ew, gross.
Gross!
But that's not all. You still have half a fish. Get that away from me. That hurts. Why did you do that? Let's open.
Come on!
Let's go. Not bad. Such a huge cake. I want to eat it now. But that's still early. First the cards. They're already ready. Take a look. Cool. I can lick it. Yay, I can eat it. Well, I can't do anything. But why should I suffer? I also want the cake. Oh, that's so tasty. I could eat this cake forever. Get your hands off. This isn't your cake. Greedy, you should share. There's not enough for me.
Hey!
Maybe that's enough. That's my cake too.
With you.
Enough! You need to share.
What?
What? Oh, there's some cake on my nose. Cool. You were right. This cake is great. Hey, Samantha, maybe you could share with us? What do you want? This is my cake. Get it? Oh, like that? Then take this. What have you done? I'm gonna... That's it. You're gonna get it. You'll be sorry. Hey! Miss! Are you insane? I think you look great. I wonder what's inside. Oh, I don't think this is tasty. This is just terrible. So gross.
Please!
Well, I'm gonna eat first. Hooray, I got lucky. What? Okay, whatever. It's not too hard to lick it if I just hold my nose. Yeah, this isn't too bad. If we take away the clothespin, like that. Ew, so gross. Give me my clothespin. Jack, now you.
Come on!
Oh no.
Okay.
I can't eat this. It's too gross.
You!
Well, you have to. Why am I so unlucky?
Oh no! Gross!
So nasty. Finally, fresh air. I know. Don't get too happy. I don't feel so good. Oh no, this again?
No!
Help! I'm falling. Help!
Uh-oh!
Oops, my bad.
Come on!
Let's look together. Cool, hubba bubba. Yeah, just need to pull the cards. What do I have? I can't even eat. Okay. Yeah! I can chew the gum. That's so tasty. Lick, but you need to chew gum. Here, catch your first. Yeah! Cool. I hope it'll be really tasty. Bingo! So little, I can lick the whole thing.
What?
This will be way tastier.
Hey!
You ruined it. Maybe you're done?
What?
Now it's all covered in drool. I can't eat this. It's gross.
What?
Hey, what have I done?
Hey, you!
You imagine? Look, she didn't even close her locker. Let's find out what's inside. Looks like some safes.
Wow.
I think there's something expensive inside. Let's look. No, stop! Ah! Where are we? What? I think this is a challenge. I'll open my safe first. Mine's all smiley. Not bad, a whole tower of poppets. Cool. Cool? That's not the right word. It's time to pop them. Weird. It smells good, and I think it's a gummy. Gummy, you really did get lucky. Yeah, and there's so many. I can eat them all right away. Stopping is hard. They're so tasty. This is the best gummy poppet. I think she stopped. This is probably for us, so we can try. You thief, that's mine. Hey, that hurts.
Come on!
Time to see what's waiting for me. I think it's something soft. It's live worms! I won't eat them! I won't! They're crawling! That's it, don't worry, they all flew away! Flew away, now they're all on me! Help! They want to eat me! I think I know what can help. This vacuum will eat all the worms fast.
What?
Even the ones making a mustache on your face.
Hey, you!
That looks funny, but I'll take it off. Oh!
Yeah.
What have you done to my lips? Everything will be okay. Are you making fun of her?
What?
Then why don't you try these delicious worms? Take that. They're on me. What do I do? How gross. Come on, don't yell. Let's see what's in your safe. In the safe? There's a potion waiting for me. I hope I don't turn into a frog or a worm. Weird. I don't feel anything right now. It's the same as before.
What?
Weird. Oh, no! Something's happening to me! Girls, help! I think the potion worked! Now I'm the size of your hand! Here, I'll put you back. Look how cute! Hey! Hey, you! You're gonna bite me? That hurts! I'll take care of you. You're gonna fight with a real snake. You think I'm scared? I'll take care of this in 2 counts. I wonder who will win. I don't know. But I think the worm is stronger. The worm? I'll defeat him. Take that. And that. She really did win. What do you think? That was a cool fight. This time, I got a real treat. So I'll open my safe first. Wow! It's my favorite cocktail. I love these. What am I waiting for? Time to drink. Weird. It isn't leaking. Stupid bottle. How can you misunderstand? I'll show you how to drink this.
What?
You, well,
Okay.
take this.
Hey!
I was joking. What's that? I won't give you this cocktail. It's mine. You're so greedy. I'll get you back. You'll learn to share with your friends. What have you done? Now I'm all wet. I could have drank the whole bottle. I thought we were friends. Enough complaining. Let Deanna open her safe. What? Fish? Oh no. Good thing that's not ours. It really smells. But you still have to eat it. Those are the rules.
Okay.
I know that. I'll try it. That's horrible. No, this is too much. Can't be done. I won't eat it. You won't? Those are the rules. Fine. I'll do it fast. How gross. So smelly.
Gross!
Hey, a skeleton! Get that away from me. And you stop laughing. Come on, Mary, open the safe. With pleasure.
What?
What's this? Some kind of Skittle. I love these, but why so little? The taste is normal. Super cool candy. I'm happy.
What?
Look! Now the candy is growing on me. How cool!
Yeah.
Yeah, can I try? Of course!
Please. Okay.
Cool! Look, now I'm all covered in candy. Diana, want some?
Come on!
Hey.
No thank you. I don't want to eat your pimples. And now I'll open the first safe again. I understand this gift. You can never have too many iPhones. Look how pretty these photos are. I want to take some too. Let me take a photo. Go away. You'll ruin my shot. Give me. It's mine. I want to take pictures. Girls, enough fighting. Give that to me. We need to decide whose this is. I'm gonna play now. How could you? Give it to me. It's mine. What have you done? That's my new phone. How? Oh, I don't know.
Boogers.
This is all your fault. While you're dealing with that, I'll open my safe.
Okay.
What?
Weird. Why is it empty? Let's see what's there.
What?
Oh no! Not a frog! I'm afraid! Help me! Get this away from my head! I don't need another animal either. Come on, jump out of here.
Hey, you.
Why me? It's your frog. You still have to eat it. No way. What if it's a cursed prince? Then maybe I'll be a real princess. Need to check.
Okay.
What's the matter with you?
Well, a prince? Not funny, I checked. Check some more. And I'll see what's in my safe.
What?
Whoa, what a weird hat.
What?
What should I do with my frog?
What?
I don't want to upset you, but it looks like your frog turned into stone. Stone? Weird. Why is it brown? Whoa, that's it! It's chocolate! And not just any chocolate, delicious chocolate. Listen, maybe your hat can do something to my phone. Let's find out. It worked! How cool!
Wow.
Now I have a chocolate iPhone. Really tasty. Means this hat is good for something. Can I wear it? I guess it's okay. Whoa! Now we have a chocolate Mary.
What?
Let's eat all her fingers.
Okay.
No, let's not. Let's take off the hat. Then she'll go back to the way she was. Let's try. Oh, thank you. You saved me. I thought I would be chocolate forever. This time, treats are waiting for me. I hope there's something tasty. Nutella! I love it. I want to eat the whole jar.
Wow.
Oh, sorry, Clarissa. I was ready to eat even the lid.
Okay.
Hey, that doesn't mean you can put it on someone's head. Come on, don't be mad. I'm just so happy about the Nutella. I'm sure Nutella is super tasty. That's right, it's even tastier than I thought. I also want some. Cool, a little on my nose. You have a little on your nose. I have it all over my hands. Yeah, we see. You're covered in it.
Hey!
Now I need to go deeper. Oh no! My hand! It's stuck!
What?
Fatty, you need to eat less. Don't laugh. Help me, Clarissa. Help, pull the jar. I'm trying. Come on. We can do it. You can do it. Let go. Pull. Oh, cool. We have a whole lot of Nutella. Let's eat faster. I'm okay. Don't worry about me. I'm alive.
What?
Did you eat everything? How do you like this? Oh, more chocolate. I can eat straight from my hands. While you eat, I'll see what I have.
What?
Something smelly. Oh no! Cheese! Please! Unfortunately it is. I don't want to eat this. Less talking, more eating already. Ew, gross! Yeah, that just looks nasty.
Hey, you!
That's what it is. I can't swallow this. It's too gross. Although,
Okay.
it's done. Cool. Yeah, cool. Now let's see what's waiting for me. We need to leave.